This video is brought to you by Zugu Case. Hey, it's Chris. This video is just for fun, so let's get right into it and I'll catch up with you again at the end.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. It's like to be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down, cause I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
So yeah, I mean, I basically saw a bunch of iPad Pro tips and tricks and hacks or whatever you want to call it just floating around on Twitter or the internet in general, and I decided to round some of those up and try them out myself. Really, these were just for fun. This is a fun video to make, but I guess a couple of these could almost be useful in the right situation. So the spinning Apple Pencil move, aka the Apple Pencil fidget spinner, aka Pencil Copter, that I saw on Twitter when somebody named Mike tweeted to my man Matt Casanelli, who, if you're not following, you definitely should. He was involved with creating Siri shortcuts to begin with, back when it was workflow. Anyways, I'm not sure if Mike was actually the first person to post this online or if that's just the first place that I encountered it, but that's where I found it, so I'll link up that tweet down in the description. If you want to try this out, it seems like it's just a little bit easier if you hold the iPad vertically, so gravity kind of kicks in and can help out a little bit. I think my personal record for rotations right now is 2.5, maybe 3, so beat that. The drawing angle hack, where you just flip your whole iPad and the keyboard over to get a better drawing angle even though it looks ridiculous, that came from Twitter too. It was a tweet from Chris Harris, who I met at WWDC, great guy by the way, and I'm pretty sure he posted it as a complete joke. But the thing is, you could actually use it. So I'm just saying, as long as it works and as long as you're not in public, then why not? Canoopsy recently reminded me of the keyboard closer move, where you just tap the keyboard on a flat surface to close it up one-handed. And I don't know that it's all that useful, but it's actually pretty cool. When you do this though, you have two different options. So you can actually close it all down like Canoopsy does in the video, put everything away, or you can kind of transition from typing into using the Apple Pencil. The iPad Pro did get a redesign this year with those flat edges, and of course that lets you balance it on its side. But it's not very stable, sort of precarious, so if you're gonna try it out, I'd probably recommend doing it on your friend's iPad Pro first. Last and least, the center of gravity on the new iPad Pro seems to be right smack dab in the middle of the logo on the back. And this means two things. First, it's gonna be perfectly balanced no matter which way you rotate the device, which just makes sense. And second, now you'll be able to practice some of Dave 2D's patented spin moves. If you are planning on buying the new iPad Pro, definitely check out the new Muse case by Zugu Case. It's tough as nails, it has 8 different viewing angles, and it can do things like magnetically attach to your fridge. It comes with free shipping, a 1-year warranty, and a 30-day risk-free evaluation period. And look, Zugu cases are very high quality. If you're looking to protect your new investment, then definitely check this out using the link down in the description. So thanks a lot for watching today. If you're new, hit subscribe because I've got new iPad content, Apple content, just tech content coming out all the time. If you guys run into any of your own hardware tips or tricks or hacks that are Apple related, be sure to let me know because I would definitely love to make a sequel to this. And actually, I've got an unbelievably useful iPad Pro tips video coming out within the next couple of weeks. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm at Daily Tech, spelled Daily T-E-K-K there, because I'm gonna post some extra footage that didn't make it into this video there. And I will catch you in the next video. Later.